Hello, my name is Kareem Abdurrahman. I'm a consultant with Magic Marketing, and I specialize in social networking marketing. I want to thank you, Dr. Sabahi, for joining me today, and we want to discuss some strategies that'll take your business a little bit further in today's market using Facebook to market your company. So I'm going to start off. I'm going to give you some basic statistics about Facebook. I'll let you know exactly how your business could benefit from having a Facebook profile and presence. And then finally, I created a mock Facebook page just to show you, give you an example of what it may look like. So, just some basic info about Facebook. Facebook has over 845 million users currently. One out of every five page views on the entire internet is from Facebook now. There are over 10 billion connections on Facebook, and uh, there's a rough estimate that every Facebook user has about 130 friends. So, as you can see, there's ample opportunity for you to really spread the word about your business on this platform. And it's our job here at Magic Marketing to give you some guidance on how to do that. So, what I've done here is I've taken a screenshot of your current website, and this is your main face to the public currently. I noticed in the bottom left corner of your website you have a few links. One says workers with lower back pain, another says sports players with back injuries. These seem to be common uh, topics, things that your users probably want to know a little bit more about, and a better way to talk about and discuss this information with your users may be through a Facebook page, and it facilitates Facebook being the most popular social networking site in the world. It allows more of a two-way conversation between you and your patients. Um, so this is something that I can show you. We would use posts or updates rather than having it on your static website, or we can keep your website very similar to what it is now, and we'll just funnel users from your website to your Facebook page to have a richer discussion with doctor or staff. So, what I want to do with a lot of the clients that I take care of here at Magic Marketing is I want to take them from the way things used to be done mentality to the way things that need to be done today. And so today you have a static website with not much of a Facebook presence, and that's fine because you've hired me to give you some advice. And what I advise you to do is move more to a strategy where you utilize the social networking tool. And how do we utilize it? Well, I put a couple examples on this slide here. One, you could use posts and updates. So I have an example of a free back adjustment coupon that you have on this slide. It is, something that a client can look at, grab a code, walk into your office, and get a free back adjustment. Another is if you're doing any kind of renovations or something to the building, you can post that, and the user will feel like the Facebook fan rather will feel like he has some kind of inside information to the going-ons at your office. Um, there are other things you can do, such as polls, if you have, ways that you want to improve something that you're doing. There's contests and promotions, things that make users feel more involved with the going-ons of your business. Um, a common question that I'm asked on Facebook or by companies that want to create a Facebook profile is how do we get our users to check us out on Facebook, if they're especially if they're not accustomed to going there in the first place. Well, what we're going to do is we're going to incorporate a like us on Facebook button on your website. So a user will be able to click this and they'll be forwarded to your Facebook page where they can continue the discussion or just like you and then move on with the rest of their day. Also, on your Facebook site, we're going to link to your website. So essentially, we're growing both user bases using each medium. Uh, so here is the Facebook page that I told you. It's a mock-up that I created. Um, it's the back and neck specialty. I've got a picture of your building and then also a snippet from your website showing, which has a picture of you giving someone some treatment. Um, on your real page, that's not just this mock-up, you will have your office phone number, your address, you'll have your website address, and then also, as I said, we will do periodic updates so that your users don't get um, stagnant or feel like the page isn't moving. Your users will actively be interacting with you. So some of your updates will be about your business, new procedures that you're trying out, different things that are going on in the world of back pain and physical therapy. And then a few of them may just be pictures of you with your family or on a vacation or something like that. That'll give people, basically make you feel a little bit more accessible and human to your users. There's an 80-20 ratio that we recommend here at Magic Marketing. So, in conclusion, I would like to thank you again, Dr. Sabahi, for spending time. I know that your time is a valuable commodity to you, but trust me when I tell you that uh, you will not regret expanding your base of people who can access information about your company. So I'm recommending that you take an action of allowing us to continue to create this Facebook page, interact with your patients using polls, contests, and just updates. And then we're going to remodel your website in the sense that we'll basically just put a like us link here. It's not a major remodeling job. I thank you again so much for your time, and I'd like to open the floor at this moment for questions. Thank you so much.